Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to create a vote pool on your WhatsApp, then this video is for you. First, you have to create a group where you can actually get the opinions from the group members as a vote, and you can create a organized voting pool where they can vote for the individual elements. So from here you can simply click on this plus button here. Now here is the pool, so simply click on pool, and here it will allow you to create the pool. So first you have to find the question section where you can ask the question. There's a do you subscribe to how to simple check, just like this. If you subscribe, if you don't subscribe yet, then subscribe our channel for more tech tips. Now from here you can add option like yes, or add another one like no, or you can add more here like going to subscribe, just like this. So you can select this type of option. So you can also add some emojis from here, like you can add any emojis like right check, just like this. Also you can add more emojis from here like rose. I'm going to add it. So also like run. Just like this. So I've just added this emojis from here. Now if you want to create this, then you can simply click on the send button here, and you can see it has just created the pool from here, and anyone can just vote on this pool. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.